good idea. Are they peeking out because they're getting hungry?
No.
What are you What are you doing?
I'm on my nest.
Your nest?
Yeah.
What's in your nest?
Something in my belly.
Can you show me?
Baby chicks.
Baby chicks? Where are they?
Right here.
Can you show me how you feed them?
They got seeds.
Oh, they eat seeds?
Yeah. Look.
Aw. Can you show me how you land on them?
Let's go on your tummy like
No,
this.
show Mama how you fly.
How do you fly and land?
Watch.
Okay.
Ooh, easy on you baby birdies.
How do you get back in your nest?
You fly there.
You do?
Yay! Are you saving your baby birdies?
Yeah, they're on your tummy.
Yeah.
They're starting to get out.
They are?
No.
You gonna teach them how to fly?
Yeah. I can say super
Yes.
super birdie. Super. Say super birdie, super.
What's that mean?
That means we can fly.
Oh.
Who says that?
Diego. Fly, baby, fly.
Oh, they're flying after you.
Come on, baby.
I think they're still hungry. They need help.
Oh. Here come baby chicks. Here I am. I am the mama because I can feed you more. I feed them.
Oh, are they happy now?
Yeah.
Oh, good.